This is Kate from Sunnyside, and happy Sunday. Just wanted to check in with you guys with a little message. I have a chicken who is molting. I would consider this a very late molt. I mean, we are almost midway through December. Typically, chickens molt in February, but here she is doing her thing. Let me show you. That's maple syrup right there. You see how she kind of looks raggedy? And her feathers look a little janky. Right there, yeah. She's kind of losing them in the back. She's looking like a little zombie chicken. She looks sickly, is a way I would describe it. Hey, Maple. So this is my message. You know, if you have a child who's not reading yet, who's not walking yet, who's not doing the things that the doctors or so-called experts are telling you that they should be doing, relax. Just like chickens, you know, they will molt. They will do the things that they're supposed to do in their own time. Like, we all have a different clock inside of us, right? We're not all the same. We're all individuals. We're not all the same. So we're not all gonna read at the same time. We're not all gonna walk at the same time, ride a bike at the same time. Fill in the blank. Mature at the same time. Like, we all have our own time, just like chickens, right? So technically, maple syrup should have molted in the fall, but here she is, mid-December, molting. So anyways, that's just what came into my mind. Nature's perfect. Everything in this life, the way that it works is perfect, including you. You are perfect. Your children are perfect. And the timing of things is perfect. Even though sometimes we may feel that it's not on our time clock and it's not happening the way that we want this thing to happen, understand that it's perfect. And that given a little bit of time, you will have some hindsight and you will see just how perfect it is. But in the meantime, we humans, we get impatient, right? And especially some of us, we just have to have things the way that we imagine them in our minds. So if you want to relieve some of that worry, look at nature, examine nature, and you will see that things have a pattern, they have a cycle, and that everything happens the way that it's supposed to happen, when it's supposed to happen. So have no fear, trust the process, and as always, focus on your family. That's number one. And focus on your finances right now. I mean, y'all need to really take a look. Talk to your partner, sit down, see where the money's going, and tighten up the purse strings. So have a happy Sunday, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You know, please share this video out, give it a like. It really helps with the algorithm, and it just helps me to get out there. And as always, I really appreciate it. So have a good day, guys. Peace.